If you're searching for a simple and legit way to earn money online, especially without investment, then this video is for you. Today we're talking about Survey Junkie, one of the most popular paid survey platforms in the world. In this video, you'll learn what Survey Junkie is, how it works, and how you can earn money from it step by step. Make sure to watch till the end for important tips to increase your earnings. So, first of all, what is Survey Junkie? Survey Junkie is an online market research platform that pays users for sharing their opinions. Big companies and brands want to understand consumer behavior, and they pay Survey Junkie to collect this data. Survey Junkie then shares a part of that money with users like you for completing surveys. The platform is free to join, easy to use, and trusted by millions of users worldwide. Here's how Survey Junkie works in simple terms. First, you sign up using your email and complete your profile information. This helps Survey Junkie match you with surveys that fit your age, location, and interests. You then receive survey opportunities on your dashboard. Each survey shows the estimated time and reward points before you start. Once completed, points are added to your account instantly. Now let's talk about how you can earn money from Survey Junkie. You earn points by completing surveys, and 100 points equals $1. Surveys usually take 5 to 30 minutes depending on complexity. Once you reach the minimum payout, you can redeem your earnings through PayPal or gift cards. So how much can you actually earn from Survey Junkie? Most users earn a few dollars per day, depending on survey availability and profile accuracy. Here are some tips to earn more from Survey Junkie. Always complete your profile honestly. Check the platform daily for new surveys. Avoid rushing through questions. Accuracy matters. And finally, combine Survey Junkie with other legit survey platforms to maximize your income. So that's everything you need to know about Survey Junkie and how to earn from it. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with friends. Link is in the description if you want to try. Comment below if you want more videos on online earning platforms.